Welcome to Blue Gypsy Homestead. My name is Louie and I'm the owner/farmer. For over 30 years, I've been an IT professional having worked with companies and governments around the world. Now that I'm winding down that career, I can focus more on storytelling, photography, cooking, and my love of nature. Nestled on 62 acres just south of Ottawa, Blue Gypsy Homestead is more than a farm. It's a journey towards self-sufficiency, sustainability, and making the most of what the land provides. Every product I offer reflects that journey. Food preservation has become one of my passions. Through freeze-drying, I'm able to preserve flavor, nutrition, and shelf life while creating healthy snacks that are as convenient as they are delicious. If you're looking for freeze-dried fruit snacks, there's something for every taste. Choose from items like bananas, raspberries, peach, and several others. The web store shows what's available and in stock. But it's not just fruit. My freeze-dried vegetables make excellent additions to soups, stews, camping meals, and emergency food supplies. Choose from corn, tomatoes, mushrooms, sweet peppers, onions, and lemon slices. Simple ingredients. Real food. Long-lasting convenience. For those who enjoy bold flavors, I offer extremely hot pepper flakes, smoked paprika, and fine-ground smoked salt, perfect for adding depth and character to your favorite recipes. Drawing inspiration from my winemaking history, I also craft artisan fruit wine vinegars in a variety of flavors including apple, blueberry, cranberry, maple, and raspberry. Available while supplies last in both 200 milliliter and 375 milliliter bottles, they're ideal for marinades, dressings, refreshing soft drinks, as well as elevating everyday meals. My handcrafted soaps are made with care and attention to quality. Choose from refreshing lightly scented soaps or my activated charcoal unscented soap made with vegan-friendly ingredients. Simple, practical products designed for everyday use. Looking for something fun? Would you like to taste something that's also produced for astronauts? My freeze-dried ice cream bites are available in chocolate, French vanilla, and strawberry. A delicious treat that's not only delicious, but always a conversation starter. I also carry products that support self-sufficient living, including my rechargeable 4-in-1 electric vacuum sealer which works on standard and wide mason jars, as well as plastic bags, helping you preserve food and reduce waste. I use mine for preserving dry goods like walnuts and peanuts. Vacuum sealing means less chance your food will spoil or become rancid. Show your support for the homestead with Blue Gypsy Homestead merchandise, including my branded t-shirts and Blue Gypsy Wine's stemless wine glasses. You can find many of these products online through my store, or visit us in person during the summer at local farmers markets, including the Kempville Farmers Market. One of the best parts of this journey is meeting the people who support local farms, local food, and small businesses. Don't forget to visit, follow, share, and subscribe to the Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok channels. Now that I'm retired, you'll be helping me build the channels and move them that much closer to generating income that I can reinvest in the homestead. At Blue Gypsy Homestead, I'm learning, building, growing, preserving, and sharing what I've discovered along the way. No shortcuts, no sugarcoating, just honest products from a real homestead. Visit BlueGypsyHomestead.com to learn more, shop online, or follow my journey on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. Blue Gypsy Homestead. Country living at its best.